the Oklahoma Supreme Court actually determined that the securitization law can move forward. But basically, there's a huge loss for ratepayers because it means that, like, there is kind of no going back now. So we are going to sell billions of dollars in bonds backed by a charge on all of our utility bills, electric bills for the next 28 years to pay them back. And so it is going to be a small amount every month, but we'll be paying it for a generation. And but interestingly, in the Supreme Court's argument against this, they specifically called out Attorney General John O'Connor for not doing his job. And they're right. The Attorney General is the people's lawyer. He is supposed to, on these sorts of cases, represent the interests of ratepayers. He explicitly filed that he would not intervene in these cases, and so we basically never got our day in court. He didn't file in the Supreme Court case. He didn't file in the rate case in front of the Corporation Commission. O'Connor just, let his corporate buddies make their billions and did not do anything about it. What really sucks about this is the Democratic Party didn't manage to field an opponent against him. So now he has a Republican primary against Gentner Drummond or a Libertarian. So I don't know. Maybe we all are going to have to put on our Libertarian hats and vote Libertarian in November, because I think O'Connor probably has an inside track on winning the Republican primary just because he's the incumbent and he's Stitt's lackey and they will help him. But, I mean, he's terrible. Like, he has literally allowed one of the largest fleecings of Oklahoma taxpayers in a generation, and he didn't do shit. So it's really bad. It's a bad deal. It's a total corporate giveaway, and I wouldn't typically advocate for voting for a Libertarian, but in this case, we may have no choice.
I feel so disgusting saying that. I feel like the Democratic Party, like the lesser of two evils.
I mean, if they would stand up on this, it's a big issue, And the Supreme Court could have found the law unconstitutional or said, but they acted like, I don't have a good thing, but they acted like their hands were tied and they couldn't possibly, do that. So, anyway, thoughts, questions?
It's a damn shame. I mean, your state is failing you right in front of your face every single day.
It's all about, like, a political party is all about ideology, right? And the Libertarian Party at least has recreational marijuana as one of their political ideologies on the state level. Yes, I know they have some really fucked up shit on the national level. But for the purposes of local and state politics, at least they're going to be open about pushing that policy out. They actually have a very good criminal justice policy for the state of Oklahoma when it comes to incarceration. What do we have? Because we can't even agree on what the hell we want to do. Like, we don't even, like, we got people in our caucus who are split up about ending cash bail. Got people in our caucus who are just like, I don't know, recreational, we might not be, like, ready for that. Oh my god. Ugh. Sorry. I just had to,
Good point. Good point.
One of the most powerful offices statewide. Yep, it is, Paul. You're right. And I wish the Democratic Party would have fielded a goddamn candidate. But yeah, here's the big complaint about the Attorney General.
Listen, I mean, Nick, you know how it is. It's really hard to recruit candidates, man. Nobody wants to keep losing.
I know, but I wish we'd gone. I wish we'd gone for that instead of like lieutenant governor or one of those. Like, lieutenant governor is like the director of tourism. I mean, all he can do is like write bad Swadley's barbecue contracts. Like, it's bad, but it's not like that bad, Like, it's just some shitty barbecue. It's not, It's not like my son's going to be paying, elevated utility rates for his entire, young adult life. Anyway. All right, that's my complain on that one. So I'll move on. Thanks for watching our video. Please give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more content. If you want to engage with us, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram.